Click S for Statements. The Statements window opens. Select Variation tab, then select the item code from drop-down list. Select the required item. By seeing the variation, enter the remarks. Remarks entered as per actuals. Click Preview bar Print button. Yes option compares with estimate rates. No option compares with work order rates. Click S button. Adjust percentage and push the toolbar top. Click End Page button. The percentage variation is calculated based on the difference in cost of excess bar savings and execution bar estimate values, that is work order value. Click the Close button. Select Cement tab by clicking. Click Issues button for Issues preview. Issues are to be entered manually. Add button adds 2 rows. Delete button deletes the selected row. Issues preview window opens. Click the Close button. Click the Issues button to view issues. Click Consumption button to view consumption. The statement generates for the items given with the type as C in master and the item is billed. Theoretical consumption of cement statement opens. Click Close button. Select Bitumen tab. Other options are similar to cement. Click Free tab for free issues. The statement generates for the items given with the type as B in master and the item is billed. Free issue and consumption statement is to be entered manually. Click Steel tab. Select the Issues checkbox. Dia-wise and date-wise issue or receipts are to be entered here. MS8 means mild steel bars 8 mm dia. TOR 8 means TOR steel 8 mm dia. Issues are to be entered in metric ton MT. Select the Consumption checkbox. Consumption for payment is to be entered in meters. Select the Not for payment checkbox. Consumption for not for payment is to be entered in meters. Select the Unit weight checkbox. Click the Coefficient button. The unit weight can be changed manually, or click Coefficient button to fill standard unit weights for all diameters. Click the TOR button. Steel reconcile statement generates and opens. Steel statement contains issues or receipts in metric ton. Steel consumption statement for payment. Steel consumption statement for not for payment. Final status of steel reconcile statement. Click HRALR tab. Select the item code from drop-down list. Select the required item. APL means above plinth level. BPL means below plinth level. AHR means abnormally high rated item. ALR means abnormally low rated item. Select the APL radio button. The calculation takes place only on clicking APL or B. Click the Power button. SC, SD, SE, SF, Head CMD, Director. The selected item is to be assigned to desired delegation of powers. One item is to be approved under one authority. If required, revised approval is to be obtained. Click the Report button to view the report. The HRALR preview window opens for Engineer SC. Click Next button. Engineer SD powers. Engineer SE powers. Engineer SF powers. Consolidated statement of each item approved under whose powers with their total approval status. Click Close button. Click Format tab. Select the item from the list. Click the Preview button. Selected form opens in Word. Click Add to add user-defined letters. Select Check Measurement tab. Select bill number from drop-down list. Select the bill. Select item code from drop-down list. Select item number. Select the measurement line by clicking. Click the Power button. Notice the checked by column. Click Statement button to view statement. Check measurement statement opens. Click Close button. Select Subcontract tab. Click Add button to add new subcontractor. Subcontractor added. Click OK to continue. Select the subcontract code from drop-down list. Select the subcontract ID. Enter name of subcontractor. Name entered. Enter rate. Type value and press enter. Enter unit. Select bill number from drop down list. Select bill number. Select the item code. Select the item number. Select the measurement line. Click the select button. Select next line of measurement. Click select button for this line. Select next line of measurement. Click select button for this line. Click the preview button. Subcontract statement preview opens. Click the close button. Click the portrait button for portrait statement. Portrait statement preview window opens. Click close button. Click exit button.